What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I found some stuff on clearance at Target. Let's refresh my phone. So I've been rocking the fine woven case for a little bit now, and the other day I dropped my phone and I cracked my screen protector. Actually, I cracked it in two spots. I normally have a bunch laying around, but I ran out. My wife has the same phone, so we break screen protectors pretty often, and I just needed to buy some new ones. I would normally not buy a Zag screen protector simply because they're so expensive, but I saw this one on sale. I was at Target getting some stuff for my wife. It's normally $60. Let's see if that shows up. But it was on sale for $17 or $18. And then they had a symmetry for a similar deal. Normally $50, on sale for $14.99. So not a bad deal. I figured I'd pick it up, give it a try for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The woven case is all right. It's not bad. I do feel like it's kind of a sleeper case. It's not really, doesn't stick out very much, and the protection's all right, but I'm not super excited about the lip on here. It's very shallow. It barely the screen surface off of a desk or whatever you might put it down on. So it's time to go. Now that we got the case off, let's take off this busted screen protector. All right, cool. My screen is in good shape. Just needs to be cleaned. Thank you, screen protector. How do you guys clean your phones when they're all nasty? I know there's probably some people that are going to freak out about this. It's actually Lysol and bleach here, but I figure it can't hurt. That's probably thermal compound. Sweet. Getting that all over my phone. Now, it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've opened a Zag screen protector. I'm pretty sure they have the cleaning materials in there, but I did this last time I put a screen protector on, and it seemed to work pretty well. Let's do it again. This is just masking tape. What do you guys run for screen protectors? I'm pretty curious. Do you go all out with an expensive screen protector? Do you use a cheaper one? Let me know in the comments below. And if it's something I haven't used before, or haven't reviewed before, I should say, maybe I'll pick one up and give it a try. So definitely let me know down below. And for those of you that aren't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this method before, but it works really well for getting the dust off there. Let's break into this thing. So again, normally it's $59. I don't know why they had it marked down. 15 Pro Max, $18. XTR3 Protect with Hexium Impact Technology. Oh man. Hope there's not little shapes in the screen, but enhanced color vibrancy, blue light filtration. Uh-oh. Maybe that's why it's cheap. It's not opened. So the Zag XTR3 Invisible Shield. Protect better. Okay. So it comes with a tray. That's already a good sign. Registration information. I guess so. If it breaks, I can get another one. Well, that's the registration information there, I guess. Scan the QR code to register it. Alright, so it comes with alcohol pad, microfiber, and dust removal sticker. Yeah, see, like this little tiny sticker versus the entire thing covered. So that's all you get there. Here is the screen protector. Let's clear some of this junk out of here. Clean. Place phone in the frame. Peel tab. Align. Press. Peel top layer. Pretty straightforward. They also have QR code for instructions there. It's kind of interesting that they put it in this little bag. I guess it's dual purpose. Protects the screen protector a little bit more. and also a good area to put the instructions. Good on them for thinking about the impact on the environment there. All right, let's put it down. I kind of did this backwards. I'll probably use the sticky thing again. So what did they say here? Clean and then place. Uh-oh, don't want to go out of order here. Shut this thing off. So it looks pretty good. There's definitely some residue from the tape. So let's fix that. So yeah, trying to make it to 1,000 subs, simply so I can get some cooler stuff brought to the channel to review and check out, and maybe do some drop tests and those sort of things. It's kind of hard on my own budget there. I also do have a Patreon that you can find on my main site. I definitely need to put some more love into that. I'm going to use this microfiber now. I feel like I just did that backwards, but oh well. Yeah, it'd be great to be able to drop some funds into the page, to the channel, that didn't have to come out of my own pocket. So if you're not subscribed, maybe consider. I would definitely appreciate it. All right, that's enough of the shameless self-plugging here. I like that they use the biodegradable bag here. I'm not sure what it's called, but I know these are the ones that erode pretty quickly. So it comes with pretty cool instructions, pretty straightforward. Peel this side first. I'm gonna go this way. And I like it has the little notches, the cutouts to place it. That's cool. I've never seen that before. And you know, when they have innovation like that, it's pretty simple, straightforward. I don't mind paying 20 bucks for a screen protector, but 50 bucks or whatever it was before they dropped the price seems a little bit high. Beautiful. Looks good. Application went well. Yeah. I like it. Nice and smooth. Let's see if it changes the color of anything. Let it come all the way up. Yeah, looks normal. Guess I need something blue, huh? Looks the same. Cool. Now on to the symmetry case. I don't know if they've redesigned this at all for the 15 Pro Max. I'm going to find out right now. The packaging looks very similar to the other packaging I've worked on, the other packaging I've seen before. MagSafe charging, raised edges, lasting antimicrobial, made with 50% recycled plastic, 3x military drop rating on that. Nothing new there really. A 5G thing still. Stop printing this and take $1 off the price of the case. Otterbox, love you. All right, so very reminiscent of the old symmetry cases. It does look different though. I'm not sure what it is, but it feels slightly different. Okay, so they milled down this area and this area. It's probably not milled. I bet you the black part is a sticker that they place that has this cutout so that they can, the magnets will work better. I don't have any MagSafe stuff. I know it's crazy to believe. So I'm not sure how well the MagSafe will work through this case, but clearly they were thinking about it because they removed a little bit of material there. The sides feel nice. It feels like a different type of plastic. It feels more like the fine woven, almost like This is trying to be leather, but it feels like a similar type of material. Got a nice big lip around the optics. Let's throw it in. Feels good. The design is sleek. All the cutouts for your ports are easily accessible. The buttons all work really well. Actually, the volume down feels a bit mushy. Interesting. It's not going to be a problem, but you can hear the top button makes a noise and the bottom one doesn't. And the top one does. I don't think it's really going to be a problem, but it's definitely not as nice a click as you would expect. Should you not buy it because of that? Absolutely not. It's fine. Yeah, tried and true. Good old symmetry case for the win. Thanks so much for checking this out. Let me know what kind of videos you want from the channel. This channel is for you guys. I do my best to come up with video ideas for you, products to unbox and review. If you have something you want me to check out, even if it's not something you've seen on the channel before, let me know and I'll do my best to get a hold of that stuff and unbox, review, give you my opinions on all that sort of stuff. For those of you that have been coming for a long time, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. For those of you that are not subscribed, I would greatly appreciate it if you did so. It would really help me get over that 1,000 hurdle so I can pour back into the channel a bit. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, thumbs down works as well. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.